Okay, so back to the tutorial. So now what we are going to do is upload our props for the stage, and the props included for this stage is a PMX file. So I will show you how to put in a PMX prop. And since this is a since this is a basic tutorial, it wouldn't matter that the prop doesn't have animation because it wasn't included with the stage. I'm just going to show you how to import the prop and then put it to this bear right here. And okay, how you do that is first you want to go to this reddish brown box that says model manipulation, and you're going to click load, and then you're going to load in your prop wherever it's located. And once it's loaded, now you want to position it to whichever location you want to. So for me, I want to put it where this bear is so it could look like as if the bear is playing it, but since it doesn't have animation or anything, it's not gonna be like the actual video. So we're gonna use these operations here in local uh, to move the object on the X, Y, and Z axis, and we also can use the rotate and move tool in the bone manipulation box. So I I use both. So I want to say one is better than the other to use. I just kind of toggle between both of them. So we're just gonna go ahead and put our prop in place right now. And you basically just use these tools until you move it and get it into the location and spot that you want it to be in. And you can use the hotkey CTRL-Z to undo anything you mess up on. Do not try to use the hotkey for redo because it doesn't work. You'll just continuously undo things. Okay, let's see. So once you have your prop now into your desired location, now you are going to just make sure you select all, so you can select all the bones of it, and make sure in this blue box that says bone manipulation that you click register. Because if you do not register where you just moved it, it's just gonna undo all your work. And it's going to be frustrating because you're gonna have to do it all over again. So this is how you import a PMX prop, and you would do that for every single prop that you have and put it in the locations that you wish for it to be. But some props will include animations, and you would just import them like we did the animations for the bears. But this prop does not include an animation. So if we click play, we'll see that the guitar goes ahead and it stays in place, and that's because it doesn't have animation. And so can we then go in and put in the animations? We can, but I think since it's a basic tutorial and I don't feel like doing that anyways, then uh we're gonna leave it like that for now. But you can go in and put in the animation, and I'm going to show you how to do a little bit of animation for fixing things, but not with this guitar. I'm probably not going to do anything with it. And also with props, they have these other type of props that are like accessory props, and those props allow you to attach it to a certain bone on the character or on the stage. But I guess we'll have to save that for another tutorial, as well as we're just trying to do a basic tutorial of how to just basically use a stage that already exists and pretty much models that already exist. So um we're not going to show you how to do that. But anyways, moving forward, now we see other of our characters don't have what they're supposed to have. So I think these three bears here are supposed to have milk bottles or something like that, but I don't think it was really included with the stage. So as in our props for this stage, we will be completed with that.